Hello everyone, this is me, Regimohan, football coach and physical education teacher of St. Joseph School, Khorabar, Gorakhpur. Today, we are living in the era of COVID-19. In order to overcome this crisis, we are putting on the mask, washing our hands for 20 seconds, for keeping the hygiene, and we are maintaining social distance and so. While today we are going to discuss something very important to develop our immunity power, irrespective of health, age, and so. Let us divide our day-to-day life in three different phases. Number one, our food habit. Our food habit is playing an important role in developing immunity. Number two, our water intake, exercise, rest or sleep. And number three is for avoiding the alcoholic and smoking habit. If you follow all these three things in your life, definitely you will be able to develop a better immunity in your body that will resist all this virus. Our food habit is playing a very important role in developing our immunity. What all the food we have to take at this COVID time, what all the food habit we have to avoid, that also we are going to discuss in this video. In our food habit, it is very important to include protein based food. Why protein? Protein helping us to develop a immunity cells which can later to accommodate zinc, vitamin C, minerals and all into the immunity cells. So if you have enough protein, you will be developing the immunity cells. A person need to have 1 gram of protein in a day per their kilograms of weight. Suppose a person is weighted of 50 kg, he need to have 50 grams of protein intake day by day. So this is very important to have the proteins like milk, curd, paneer, pulses, egg, meat and fish to have enough protein in your body. It's about the vitamins and minerals importance in our body to develop the immunity. In the level of vitamin C and zinc, let us have amla. It's one of the best vitamin C content. Lemon, pomegranate, pineapple, orange, they are all giving the content of vitamin C and mineral. 1 amla is enough for a person for a day to have the vitamin C. Of course, as we all know, zinc cannot be retained in the human body for longer period. So it is very necessary to give day by day the content of zinc. Grapes, papaya, orange, shellfish, they are all the zinc content day to day basis. Zinc content is not allowing the virus to get multiple in the human body. The third and important thing in this category is spices. Of course, the time being the corona spread in our world, it was told that to use spices like garlics, turmerics, ginger and so including in our food. But it is very important to have the naturality of these spices into our body. The naturality like half cooked or uncooked ginger, turmeric and garlics are to be used for developing immunity. Fourth and last in this category is avoiding junk food. It is very important to avoid the junk food because that create an inflammation in our body. Sometimes your immunity may be playing an important role against your immunity. So it's very important to avoid junk food at this present scenario. Now let us see what we were discussing in the second phase, that is water, exercise and rest or sleep. In the first of this category is called your water intake. It is very important to have at least 1 liter per 25 kg for the personality in a day to have water. If a person with 75 kilograms, he need to intake at least 3 liters of water, which will help him to urine out a certain amount of water through.
Virus also can drain out.
Next of this phase is the most important is the exercise. It is very good to have a 30 minutes of exercise daily by each and every adult personalities, which will bring a better blood circulation. That blood circulation will help you to strengthen your circulatory system and your respiratory systems too. In this phase is rest or sleep. A person need to have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep for better immunity development. Less sleeping habit in a human personality will reduce their immunity level down. There is the possibility for letting their immunity level down if you don't have enough sleeping hours in a day. The third and last phase for our topic is avoiding alcohol and smoking habit. It is advisable to avoid alcoholic and smoking in this period because corona is affecting mostly to the lungs and the respiratory system. The person who is in the habit of alcoholic, he is having the chances to get pneumonia kind of diseases, and the person who are with the habit of smoking, chances for getting lungs diseases, which is corona is also getting affected with the lungs. It is advisable to avoid both this habit. The habit of alcohol and the smoking will be reducing the oxygen level in our body too. So reducing the oxygen level in our body is a dangerous situation. It is better to avoid alcohol and smoking during this period. I hope this video is very informative for you all for developing your immunity. It's not the time for getting panic. It's a time for to have the challenge with our health. To have the health, it's very important to have the exercise. Of course, along with the exercises, you need to develop your immunity power also. Thank you very much. It's me, Regimon. Remain. Thank you.